Hello, beautiful people. Hello, everybody. Hello. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the stream. Hey, Gus. Hey, Edgaras. What's Hey. Good to see you guys. Good to see you. How are we today? I'm in a good mood. I'm on the coast. I'm far away from all the noise, from all the crowded places. Hello, Ignas. I'm far away, just kind of enjoying myself, enjoying the freedom of being able to move around. That's one of the freedoms that trading gives us, right? Enjoying the possibility of being here, you know? I've been good though. I hope you guys are doing well as well. I hope the audio is right. I hope the setup is alright. I'm gonna stand up. I'm gonna take a picture of this dude. Like, what I have going on right now in front of me is insane. Like, you can't imagine. I would love just to pick you guys up and show you around, but I won't do that. So I'm gonna literally stand up now, take a picture of this, and I'm gonna be with you. Give me a second, okay? Hey, everybody. I'm gonna post it on Discord, guys. Like, I have enough sockets. I do. I had to bring them though, because like there's no way that this would be possible without it, you know. But I'm coming into the day in. Let me post it though, real quick. Like, it's intense how much stuff I have on one small table from IKEA here. It's good. I like it though. I like it. I like the fact that we're putting in a lot of effort into this, you know? So grinding it out, and usually grinding it out, it's a good thing. Usually good things happen out of it. At least I have a good track record of that, okay? Anywho, we're back at it again. We're going live again. We're looking at the charts. We're looking for a price to do certain things in certain times, right? Algorithmic theory, right? And with that in mind, let's kind of start digging deeper into this. I'm gonna take it slow today because I know the fact that the markets have delivered beautifully over the last week, so it makes our job today a little bit hard, let's say, because targets are delivered. What do we want to do now, right? Do we trade retracements? We can. Do we trade retracements in terms of looking for price to really deliver a retracement? Yeah, we can, but is that a real draw on liquidity? Joazas, hey buddy, hey buddy, hope you're good. Haven't seen you for a while, huh? Hope you're doing all right. But yeah, because of that fact that we're looking for a retracement now instead of draw on liquidity, makes our situation a little bit difficult. But looking at the chart, let's go through the charts and then start digging deeper into this. Yeah, coming back to trading 2024. That's cool, man. I love the spirit. Did you get a funded account set up or a challenge account set up or what are you going to do? It's cool though. I'm happy to have you back, man. It's very nice. Let's see. What I see on dollar index right now is something that I don't really like. Why? Because I would love to see lower prices on indices today. And this hourly fair value gap plus an inversion out here. Yeah, you see that inversion also? It's pushing the price lower towards this order block. So up until that point that we get there and started running higher, I'm not sure what are we supposed to do with this in a way. I like forex pushing higher. I like Euro USD pushing higher. I like GBP USD going higher. Do I like indices pushing higher from where we are trading at right now? I don't. So interestingly enough, it's gonna be interesting to see what happens out here. Lower prices for sure here, but is that something that I can work with? Now take a look. Give me a chance here, right? Buy side taken. Yeah. Swing low. Let's go to 5 minutes. Swing low right here. We have a break of structure, don't we? And next to that we have fair value gaps, kind of offering a run towards liquidity. So let's see if we can retrace in there. It would be interesting to see. Okay. Something like whoop for this fair value gap. That would be interesting. That would be interesting. Let's see. Let's see if we can get that. Euro USD. I want to see Friday's high being taken. I like this order block. That should hold in the price to go lower. We'll see how we deliver afterwards, but that's kind of my interest right now. This inverting, possibly. London creating low for this week so far. Also good enough. It is low. No, it's overnight low. London is right here. Okay, interesting. Interesting. This is like, it is kind of London. A bit early, but okay. Okay. Fine. Drone liquidity higher. I'm cool with that. But considering what we saw on dollar, there's no entry here. Too bad. Too bad. Let's take a look here. Bookmark added. I didn't ask for a bookmark. Huh. Weird. Okay. Let's see. Where do we go next? Pound is just not listening. That 1 hour inversion kind of holding in the price. For a possible draw lower. Nothing I can work with though. Like, I'm just leaving this aside. Let's go into futures that are not futures. So what I just said, it's funny, right? So we do a little bit of communication on Reddit. I don't know if you guys are heavy users of Reddit. I'm not. I'm kind of learning the ins and outs of Reddit. Last few weeks, we literally posted on futures trading subreddit the power of 3 analysis that I did yesterday. And we got banned on futures trading because we provided irrelevant information. How the fuck analysis on NASDAQ is not relevant information for futures trading? Like on the chart itself, it said NQM contract 2024. And we get banned because we're giving not relevant information in futures trading subreddit. I don't know. People are just... Somebody, I think Doma said people are jealous. I agree. People are jealous. Market's opening in 9 minutes, so let me get a sip of my coffee and we're gonna dive deep into this, okay? Step by step, yeah. What do we see? We see 1 hour inversion happening last week, pushing the price to the upside. Totally reasonable, totally cool. I like that. What was the target though? Buy side liquidity resting above. Buy side liquidity resting above. Yeah. What do we get out of this? We have an SMT. Last week's highs were taken on NQ. You see, I'm not measuring it like with precision because like you have to understand. Swing high, not taken. Swing high, taken. Yeah. Inefficiency. What do we have right now? Previous day high taken. This morning again. We have 1 hour inefficiency here. Yeah, and that's in an interesting place as well, because I was watching this 4 hour fair value gap to see whether we are able to invert it or not. So for me, especially on ES, I'm saying it out loud. Everything below it is bearish. I'm gonna be watching lower prices on ES because of that fact, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna be interested in ES delivering lower, especially until the point this hourly is not broken to the downside as well, okay? That inversion doesn't matter for us anymore too much because it delivered. What do we have here? We have equal highs. That stays. When do we deliver there? Not able to say. How big of a retracement lower can we get? I have no idea, man. But this has to be on your chart. Okay. Let's see. SMT on the chart as well. This fair value gap kinda opening up, so we're gonna have to come back to this. But this being open, that's cool. That's a break of structure. I don't like this kind of YouTube 2022 because I would like to have this candle wicking through, taking buy stops instead of this one. You understand what I mean here? I'd love this to be taken with the candle that actually breaks the structure, you know? This, yeah, on paper it is a break of structure below this low. Do you like it too much? Not really. Not really. Arnes, did you take this trade? I saw Arnes in the stream, right? Arnes was talking this morning about a possible short entry. From 5 minutes, I think. This inversion. No, he didn't take it yet because it never got to his target. That's cool. That's cool. Okay. I was really talking to myself now, wasn't I? Oh, Arnes is here. Okay. Since Arnes is here, it's all good now. Okay. Let's see. This order block plus a YouTube 2022 plus inversion. 15 looks a lot better than the 5 minute does. Doesn't it, right? Interesting. So let's note this. There's liquidity resting below that for certain. Let's note the high for London session as well. That's an important high as well because it takes buy side away from the market. It does. And let's note this. It's Potential target? Why now? I'm not marking this as buy side because buy side is not like a, it's a drawn liquidity for me, but it's not a target for me. This could be a target. Look at these equal highs right here. Pum pum. Right? I like that. And I like that inversion now. It's cool. 5 minutes, right? Yeah. This is cool. Let's see if we can retrace into it. Probably we won't. Probably we're just gonna shoot through it if we get there. So I'll just take this off. Okay. Now let's see, what do we have on ES? Double top here. Not double top. This is not relative equal highs. Let's see. Okay. Somebody said that I have to use the vocabulary a little bit more precisely during those streams, not to confuse people. So I'm gonna try to do that. Relative equal highs. Double bottom. Double top. Yeah. Literal double top. Bam, bam. 2 equal highs here. We're just diving into some sort of like, who knows, zoo indicators. What is this pattern? Like what is that? Is that something that people would draw? Probably no, like this. What happens after this? Do we go here or do we go here? Who knows? I don't. I'm having fun, am I not? Huh? Similar here. Now, for me, that's nothing I can work with here. I moved the mic further away a bit. One more minute, 2 more minutes, yep. 2 more minutes till the markets open up. We're gonna have to wait it out. Every single time we start diving into the markets, we start diving into what is happening in front of us, and we realize the fact that we just have to wait. Let's see. Should be better now. Should be better. Pum 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 pum. Garbage triangle. Edgar's. Edgar's is on a roll today, huh? Like garbage triangle. He said something about what is it? Lose your trading account, kill zone, right? That is funny though. That garbage triangle. I like that. Garbage. Oh my god. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we do. So, who knows though? Who knows how do we use the garbage triangles? What do we do with that? I have no. I just saw it and I just draw it out for you guys. I have no idea what it means. What are we supposed to do, or what is gonna happen? Let's get rid of it. It means that the price is supposed to go lower. So next time when we see that, I'm gonna go short. All right. Now, jokes aside. Sell side liquidity resting below this low is cool. Yeah, I like that. What do we have here? Just a retracement into that hourly fair value gap. I wish it would remain open, but we're kind of killing it right now. Wasn't offered, yeah. And Q looks like it can just shoot a lot higher than it is right now as well. Poof, interesting. It's gonna be a weird day. Let me just check if my account is set up. We got that. Are you able to see my other monitor? You should be able to. That's good. Back to the setup. 9 people watching though. Hooray. Guys, like, we've been on the roll. I don't know. We've been on the roll in terms of what is happening on Discord. People talking, people chatting, people giving value to each other. I love that part. You don't even need me anymore, you know? That's awesome. Like, I love when stuff like this happen. That's why, in a way, we're doing this. To create a community. Yeah, where people can talk, where people can share, where people can learn from each other. I like that. Back to 5 minutes. Let's see. The thing is, on ES, I have no imbalances that would stop the price running lower. And Q exactly the same. So I'm gonna watch this as a possible short entry, actually. This, let's just keep it on the chart, but not waste time putting much interest into it. Good community and good traders. Exactly, guys. And you're doing majority of the work, you know. I'm just here showing up day in, day out, actually having fun. Because I'm just happy to share, happy to talk to you, happy to give you value and stuff, you know. I like this possible short. 15 handles. Watch this possibility of going lower. This is an inversion. SMT present as well. Not saying to take it, guys. I'm not saying that. You know when I'm gonna take a trade. You're gonna know it. I'm not taking this. Just watch this. Beam and bam. Because do you see what is happening right now? ES and NQ like brother and sister fighting over something, not talking into each other at all. Let's just continue watching. Please don't touch the button. Don't press it, you know? I'm reading what you guys talking about trading view connectivity. I don't know, man. So let's do it together. Who's gonna lead me? How do I check what kind of trading view subscription I have? No, I don't want the charts. Let's not do this neither. I don't want you to see my card details and stuff. But let's see. Account and billing, yeah. Account and billing. What do I have? Annual plus. I have annual plus. Does it mean anything? I have no idea. So with annual plus, I can literally have my here iPad, one screen, second screen, and I have a trading view running on my server as well. So like I can do stuff, things, you know? So yeah, I have the annual, what was the name for it? Annual, not tagged for sure, huh? Annual what? Annual plus. Annual premium I have, but can't use two monitors logged in separately. That's fucking insane, man. But like, so setup you have right now in front of you. The chart, the big chart is in front of me. The small chart is on my other monitor in front of me. Both are being streamed through a laptop, right? I have a MacBook. I'm doing this from a MacBook. And I'm logged into the same TradingView account. User. Let's call it user. Oh, you're trying to use two separate machines to run it, right? Yeah. I see. I understand what you're saying. Yeah. So what I do, I have it. I have a solution for you. If you're struggling with how to call this, if you're struggling with setting up your two different machines, say MacBook and a PC, right? So what I have is I do this. I turn on sharing right here, and then where is the copy link? Turn on sharing and copy link. Copy that link to your other machine and open the chart with that. And you're gonna be able to see exactly what you're doing. It's gonna have like 10-15 seconds delay, but you're gonna be able to see exactly the same chart, exactly the same information, same drawings, same everything. So do this. Go to here. I don't know what's, for me it says GBP hourly something. I don't know what it says, but go here, sharing, turn it on, copy link, put it to your other device, and then you should be good, man. I hope it helps. I filmed it as well. I'm gonna upload to Discord. Ah, that's funny. Uploaded it to Discord. Maybe it helps, maybe it doesn't. I don't know. Now, again, what are we looking at? Just, like, where did he run through? So do I owe Ignas 20 push-ups or not? Question is now. Because he didn't get an entry. But we got the target. I don't know. This 15 minutes fair value gap right here was a nice entry. Right from, yeah, from here. Target delivered. Who's doing push-ups or nobody? Basically not, because I entered anyway. So when's I hear you, man. This game. Watch this for an entry now. 3 handle stop loss. Inversion plus break of structure. Like, keyword, watch it. Keyword, watch it. I'm going to check the news. 8:30. Oh, so the news passed already, right? What's up, Thomas? Hey, Tiger is here. I'm your neighbor now, man. I'm somewhere next to you. Let's see. What do we have? Nothing else left today. Nope. So let's just forget about that. Watch this. Not saying this is a good entry. I'm not. This becomes a good entry though, if this gets inverted. 939. Watch 939 for a possible inversion. But the markets are just so not in sync, so not talkative, let's say. You know? I like this though for an entry. Let's do it. Liquidity could remain though. Retrace, leave the liquidity open. I'm up for this. I'm in. I don't want this to nah. Retrace. Nope. Too bad. I hate setups like this when liquidity gets taken. Liquidity taken, now we retrace. Like, why? Why didn't we just poof, you know? Taking this off. Sticking to the trading plan, let's call it that way. How do you know where I live? I have no idea where you live. I'm guessing. Or let's say I'm reading minds. How do you like that? I can predict the future while I'm reading the chart. Why not read minds as well? Jokes aside, man. I have no idea where you live, dude. No fucking idea. I just know it's somewhere on the coast, right? So I'm somewhere nearby. 300 kilometers closer than I was last week. This possibly will get broken, but I'm still watching. I'm still waiting it out. Nothing too much that I like just yet. This pushing to the upside, totally reasonable. Totally reasonable. Where do I live? How the hell should I know, man? Let's check. Let's check YouTube settings to take a look. Maybe we can figure that out. You know? No, I have no idea, man. No clue. But welcome to the stream. Welcome. I hope you guys are doing good. We're analyzing the chart. We're using ICT concepts. We're believing that algorithms run the markets. We believe in manipulation. We believe in all the darkest secrets in price delivery. And we just missed a possible long entry. But I'm not touching this. Hear me out. Let not in a trade. Not touching this because liquidity was taken. Like, why did we take this double bottom with a wick like that and proceeded for that entry? There's no need for that. We can just run. Right here. BAM IOFD, run. Why would you ever retrace from here? I see no reason. So I'm not gonna touch this. Okay. Can it run without us? Easy. But let's watch it. I'm fine letting it go. What do we have here? What do we have in terms of the opening range? Let's do this. Low. Low right here. And so this is, we're looking at the highs of the opening range right here. Boring. I'm wondering if I should have taken this. I don't like the time of day. That's the issue for me. If time of day would be alright, so like let's say to take an entry I need 5 or 6 things to pen out. Let's make it easier, 5, 20% each, right? Where's my, this was gonna look nasty, but let me try. I need 5 things to pen out, right? 1, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 5 pieces to the pie. I need a model. I need liquidity, we got that, right? Model, liquidity. I need time of day, which I'm missing. I need break of structure that we get, but we take out highs together with it. So I'm missing that as well. I'm missing already 2 out of 5, let's say, or so important things to a setup itself. That would be high probability, right? If time of the day would be good here, I would be in a trade already. Like we would have gone long here. If time of day would be aligning. Now I'm not. Because not only I don't have time of day, this liquidity was just passed through. Makes it dangerous. 930 IFVG aligns with 934. Yes. That's cool. Not only that, this is what I was trying to mention as well. Look at this. There's a third one even. 939. I just put it in Discord as well, but I'm not touching this. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. NQ pushing lower. What did we say in the morning? Not in the morning, like half an hour ago. Hourly chart, we want to see lower prices. What did I say about 4 hours? I said everything below this 4-hour high of the imbalance itself is bearish. So we're waiting it out. We're looking for lower prices. We're getting that. 15 minutes wick right here. I think we're missing out on NQ today. Hey Jang, how are you? How are you, man? I like this so far. Yes, 1, 2, 3 attempts. Bomb, break lower. Below this. Retracement in here, that's a short for me. That's what I'm gonna be looking at. Bomb here. Stop loss here. Something like that. That's gonna be my trade. Hello, hello. Hope you're good. Hope you're good. Good chat today on the indices chat. I think it was in the chat. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna take a look in a second, okay? But let's do something interesting. NQU. NQU got to the 20k big figure. That's insane, man. Chart looks similar, but this is so much higher compared to Hmm. Let's take a look at cash. Interesting. Back to the chart. Is this something that I'm willing to take again now with... Oh my god. I hate the fact that liquidity is taken again. I like the price going lower. I love that. Why do we need to take the liquidity away from the market before we do? Just like here. So, we took out the liquidity. Nothing good pans out. But we're gonna take it. 3.5. Another push, please. We're still not in a trade. We're still waiting. 9 more minutes. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Oh, Tiger, I miss you. Do you know where the basketball players live? I'm right there. So, where all the basketball players live, that I'm their neighbor. US 30, YM 2024. You're long here. Nice. Nice. This is good. This is shitloads, man. You're rich. Couldn't get you. No, I'm next to... Yeah, not... I'm still in Palanga. I'm not out of town yet, but yeah. This is nice, YMM. Let's check that. Even better. Nice. Good for you, man. Good for you. I hate YM though. Like, I hate trading it. Like, gives me nightmares. You know? Have to wait for the hourly close though. You're laughing at it, yeah? I'm being reasonable, man. It gives me nightmares. I've had my troubles, let's say. But I'm waiting for this hourly close. I want to see this inverted. It's dangerous but cool. You know what? YM reminds me of something. I don't know if you traded forex, but a lot of traders that do forex, like GBP, USD, Euro USD, I loved it too. I would do a lot of GBP, JPY, pound against Japanese yen. That is a crazy market. That's a market that you can have bunches of fun, let's say. Not just a little bit of fun, like it loads of fun, you know? That's a cool market. So YM is as wild as GBP, JPY on forex, you know? Cool market to trade though. I totally understand you. Not for me though. I can't do that. Nightmares. Why am I not trading in the new contract? Because I did my charts yesterday and the new contract was not valid yet. So barchart.com. I look at that. Seems good. Yeah. So I should be on a new contract now. Yes, new contract already. So let's do that. ESU 2024. I don't mind. It was the old contract in the morning when I looked at it. Sadly. There won't be much of a difference though. No openings here, no openings here. 1 hour inversion. Push the upside from that, possibly. Talking to myself a little bit now, but I have to do that. Let's take a look at not stocks, futures. Let's take a look at NQ. Nasdaq E-mini. Which contract is a bit more reliable? Same. Oh my god. I'm sorry about this, guys. So I should have been trading the next contract already. And I'm not. So let's literally do that. NQU 2024. New month. Just posted it on Discord as well. So again, let's make it fun. Let's make it useful for you guys. Let's do a little bit of analysis of what do we have here. What do we have going on? Double bottom. Right away, my eyesight goes here. I've trained my eyesight. Even though I'm wearing glasses and I can't see for shit. Sell side resting below. Cool with me. 4 hours fair value gap. Let me do my charts in like 5 minutes and I'm gonna talk over it. So fair value gap here. What do we have? We have all-time highs up here. We have liquidity resting below. That's my interest. Yeah. Then we have liquidity down below here. Let's do that. Let's check daily for a second. Bam. Daily for value gap right here. I think we're gonna shoot higher. This stuff like this never tops the market. Have to put it up here, okay? Daily on NQ, very beautiful. We have that double bottom on 4 hours, and we have that daily for value gap right below that. Bam, pushed to the downside up here. I love that. Good with me, fine by me. Then if that fails, liquidity. Okay. Hourly. What do we see? We see an hourly inversion that pushed the price to the upside. Object 3, please. Otherwise, nothing that I can see, nothing I can work with. The only thing I can work with is this hourly fair value gap. So everything above this is gonna remain bullish for me on NQ. If we break below it, then I'm becoming bearish, okay? Here, I'm tearing myself apart. Everything below this hourly is bearish on ES. So if I wanna go short, I should be looking to go short on ES. If I want to go long, I should be looking to go long on NQ. Saying it out loud. See? Half of the job done. I know what I want to do today. Stay fucking hydrated. Liquidity taken, push to the upside, all good is here. Buy side resting above here. Yeah. Why did that? So current, yep. Buy side resting above. Buy side resting above here as well. And we're gonna have a buy side liquidity pool on 5 minutes as well. Ignas is sponsor of Circle K. I wish, man. I pay way too much money for those bastards. Call them up, say, listen, Ignas needs some help. He's happy to give a lot of good words about them. Coffee-wise, I don't know what other gas station I would go towards to, if not Circle K. But at the same time, give me support, Circle K. Come on. You drank your coffee while like in an ad. Logo was clear. So imagine it says daily pips here. Daily pips. Support the channel, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Only good stuff happens here. I can do that. I'm throwing this away. Better? Okay. This is an entry, and I'm gonna have to use that old ass contract to do an entry here. Merch. 3 minutes entry from an inversion. And I'm literally using an old contract because my whole copy trading setup is on an old contract. I can't do it elsewise. Like, I can't copy these orders to anywhere else. Feels weird, but it's the truth. So what am I doing here? I'm taking this inversion on 3 minutes chart. I'm taking that and I'm kind of saying, okay, I trust my higher time frame analysis for the market to push higher from here. So thus the trade itself. Let's take this off. This is an hourly imbalance that if we stay above it, we stay above it. Yep. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I might have jumped the chip too quickly. I'm gonna have to admit it, right? But I'm doing a little bit of a weird thing here at the same time, because I'm literally trading unprepared in a way. But we'll see. The risk reward is good enough for me. Time of the day is good enough. Setup is there. What I need to see broken as soon as possible. This, let me show you. This breaker. This is a breaker block, right? I'd need this taken away from the market ASAP. Let me show you a little bit closer. We have a high, we have a low, we have a higher high, bomb break of structure, right? Out of US 30, man. Good trade there. Like, insane trade, man. Good work, good work. So we have a breaker block. Last down close candle. After the structure gets broken. Something that we use for bearish entries, right? Because we're in a long, we want it broken as soon as possible. Yep. What are we doing here? We're looking at an order block right here. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to do... I'm just realizing, I didn't expect the contract to move to September so quickly. So I'm very much gonna have to do a lot of work tonight to prep my copy trading engine, to do all that stuff, to move away from... I'm not too happy about it, but it's okay. Am I happy with this trade? No, I'm not. I just talked to myself again. Am I happy with this setup at the moment? Not really. I want the market to move. I want to see speed. Why? Who's gonna make a guess? Why do I want to see speed now? In next 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I'm being very precise. Next 2 minutes has to go. Go, 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 go. Do you know why? Who sees it? Who is a good student? Watch this. 10:02. That's an inside candle. Who knows what's an inside candle? If you go to Discord and there's a search bar at the top of the Discord server. Like, every time, wherever you are in the chat room, in Daily Pips trading server, there's a search bar at the top right hand side, right? Put down inside candle in there. Make a guess what happens when you see an inside candle. And make a guess what is happening, and make a guess why I'm holding on to this trade. This is good. So far, so good. What is not good that I'm literally using a September contract to trade this month's price delivery. That's not too good, but we'll see. We'll see if we can work with it or not. This is a nice entry though. 5 handles. 1 to 2. I like it. So, just for a review. Sorry. So, for a review, we have an inside candle down here. What does it mean? Initially, an inside candle. I guess I'm gonna get back to your question in a bit. Inside candle, right? We have a candle that just booked in the price. What does it mean to have an inside candle? It means to have a candle that books in the price inside the previous candle, literally. The high of the previous candle is not taken, the low of the previous candle is not taken. That's an inside candle right here. Yeah, what do we have here at 10:02? Inside candle. Can we work with it? Nope. Does it mean much? Nope. How can we use it? We use it to trade. We use it for market predictability. We use it for that magical ability to read the price the way I do it. What do I mean by this? I mean that when I know that there's an inside candle and I'm in a trade like now, order block holds in the price, fair value gap holds in the price, we have a 4 minutes, inversion as well. We're in a trade and we don't know, we wonder what we want to do with the trade itself, right? We see an inside candle and then we know that 3 candles after that the price has to start moving. Bam, 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 bam. Just like with an SMT, when we have an SMT in the market and we say, okay, ES delivered lower and Q delivered higher, there's a discrepancy in those two prices. What do we say then? We say that we're expecting a stage where the market makes a shift. It goes to the other side of the playing field, let's say, short term at least. That's what we want the market to do right away when we see an inside candle. That's how on Discord, especially when I say, I want to see speed now, I want to start see price moving right now. I'm not saying it just out of nowhere. That's majority of the times when I say that. When the inside candle delivers, you see beautiful stuff like this. Enjoy the ride. Gus, question, why is it bad to use old contract? Let me get rid of all this bullshit. We're delivering higher. We want the breaker block to break. Beautiful. All good here. I'm thinking now, should I take it off or do we wait? I want to do some talking. I feel energy to talk, so I'm gonna stay humble and we're gonna take it off. Nice trade. Thank you, Dominicas. Hi though. A new person, new face, man. Happy to have you here, man. Hope you're good. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're having a good, sunny, beautiful day in Lithuania, if the name doesn't lie, yeah? Okay, I was gonna talk. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna be good. Why I'm taking this off? Because Gus gave a very good question. Gus just said, why am I worried about trading old contract compared to what the price is delivering right now? Because we're using algorithmic price reading, let's say, strategies, delivery. We believe in algo, we believe in manipulation. Thus, every single time when the contract, interest in a certain contract changes, algo changes the interest in terms of where it delivers. The algo starts doing its job, just like now we see, right? When do we want the algo to turn on? Majority of the times we wanted it to start doing the work 10 minutes to an hour. I always say 10 minutes to 10 macro. Let's get it. Let's start seeing price delivering. Let's start seeing price going where we want it to go. Yeah? And that's what we get. Low of the session, not a random place. Time over price. Yeah? Every single time. Time over price. I prefer time over anything else. Yeah? And this is why I'm interested in the next contract delivery, because look at what we have on the small monitor for you guys. Look at what we have in terms of volumes, in terms of what the real players are doing, in terms of really long-term positions. People are interested in September contract delivery. Thus, the algo shifts its focus to deliver price there as well. The algo is not pushing the price on the old June contract anymore. We're trading the new September contract now, which is awesome, which is good. Makes our lives easier. You know why I like it? Because look at this. Hourly chart. I have literally 0 on my chart. No drawings, no nothing. Take a look at, for example, my NQ on the other half of the month. Like, this is nasty. What I can do here is where's this? Not indicates remove drawings. You know? I'm not gonna do that because I'm gonna have to come back to this. I'm gonna have to do a lot of work tonight to prep my charts for tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I'm gonna stream how we do that. Maybe we're gonna start earlier tomorrow just to do the prep work for the charts. But yeah, that's the danger of kinda not trusting that algo exists in a way. And us trusting that algo exists, we have to trust the fact that algo just moved away from June to September contract. So guys, please, if you're here with me, go to September contract. Remove everything you saw and you believe on June contract. Will make your life a lot easier. Are you watching and trading new 4-hour openings, which usually supplies higher? Good question. I don't actually. I don't know if you know power of 3 concepts, Dominikas. So for me, power of 3 is a concept where I believe that every single candle does. Whether it is a hourly candle, 1 minute candle, daily candle, monthly candle, pretty much if it's, let's say, bullish, every single candle has an opening. It manipulates, it distributes, and it retraces to close, right? Thus, we get an nasty looking but still candle-like, with an opening, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, retracement back into the range, yeah? 99% of candles print like this. Your question, 4 hours. I don't trade it, but I expect it. Open, manipulate, distribute, retrace. I love watching 4-hour closes. Yes, I do. And I make a lot of decisions on it. But I don't say that, okay, the candle is printing right now. Let's jump into it and let's start how to say, trading because the candle just opened, so we have to use 15 initial minutes of it. No, I don't. What I do use though, I use kill zones. And funny enough, kill zones kind of relate to what I just said, because my best execution kill zone is AM session. When does an AM session start? 10 AM New York time. When does the next session that I trade start? 2 PM, 4 hours later. It's not random, right? But in my experience, I view the market and market delivery not in 4-hour segments, 4-hour sessions, I view it in 90-minute segments. 90-minute price delivery is a little bit more important for me than 4-hour price delivery. Why? PM session, I very much love watching PM session from 1:30. 1:30 candle, 1 minute open is a very important price for the evening trading for me. Do the work yourself, you know, get into the chart, note 10 past 1:30 p.m. candles. Take a look what happens afterwards. You're gonna see interesting things delivering. Damien, hi. A lot of new faces today. Hi guys, I hope you're good. Hope you're good. Just maybe to make it clear for everybody, I'm Ignas, Daily Pips Trading. We're having fun here. We're trying to see algorithmic price delivery. We're trying to read the markets. We're trying to give you insights into the market itself. I've been trading for 5 years now. I run my own small investment fund. I teach as well. I have a few people that follow me dearly, let's say, and they're learning my trading concepts as well. But myself, I've been mentored in 2019. I finished private ICT, Inner Circle Trader, or in other words, Michael Huddleston mentorship. I paid him a lot of money to get to the point where I'm at right now. So yeah, I'm just trying to share the message. Honestly, I'm just here to have fun, and I'm just happy to see people showing up and giving you value, you know? So thank you for passing by, and thank you for saying hi. Hi, Damien. Welcome. Agree, fair play, thanks for explaining. No, happy to do it, man, and very good question. I love the question, man. It's an incredibly good question. Yeah, I love that. Good one. Gus, okay, so does it mean that same symbol but different old new contracts have different price feeds, or yes, totally, exactly the same. Take a look. Take a look, man. Where is, so on the right hand side, June. On the left hand side, September. Not only you have different price delivery, you also have different price in other words, 5,500 against 5,430. You see the difference right away? That's why I said last week, we're bullish. We're changing the contract soon. June has to catch up with September. You know? Because of that fact that June is trading below September, and September is where a lot of interest relies on. Yeah? We want to see it catching up. That's why we wanted the June contract delivering higher last week. Oh, damn, okay. Insights, yeah, and I'm not saying that I know something that is very, that is a secret, you know. All I'm sharing with you guys is stuff that I've worked on and stuff that I figured out throughout the years. But so far so good. So far so good. Thank you for the questions. Holy man. If I'm trying to imagine, so what, let's say if there's other streamers, like I follow a lot of them. I imagine them being in a situation where they get questions like this every 2 seconds. Like imagine if there would be 200 people watching instead of 10. Like I would go mental. I would go, okay guys, stop talking, let me answer the questions. Let's give me a chance, you know, we have to trade as well. Funny enough, but thank you. Good questions, guys. Good questions, and we're 1 for 1. And I'm not sure if I'm too. So what I'm gonna say is gonna be interesting, guys. Broken, push to the upside, all good there. I'm a bit now like not scared, but I'm not too keen on trading anymore today because I don't have my charts prepared. And when I don't have my charts prepared, I feel like I'm naked or something, you know? I put a lot of belief in my prep work over the weekend, and we're looking at the wrong contract. Not that it's a too bad of a thing. It literally just shifted. Yesterday I did the charts. The difference was like, I don't know, 4,000 volume points. Now it just shifted. Tiger, though, thank you for letting me know. But yeah, we're gonna have some fun this week, though. We're looking at a weird week because there's a bank holiday in the US happening later this week, Wednesday. Wednesday is gonna close the markets, I don't remember, 4 hours earlier? Something like that is gonna be an early close on index futures. Forex is gonna run just as it runs normally, but we're gonna have an early, what a word, early close on index futures. Nasdaq, S&P, YM, right? B, what a name. YM is gonna close earlier. So Thursday, because Wednesday is gonna be a day off, I'm not gonna show up because there's no reason to do that. Price is just gonna be shitty. Thursday, I'm thinking of doing something fun. Usually I drain myself in 2 hours of being live with you guys. Thursday, I'm gonna try to do the whole day. I don't know what will happen, but we'll see. Thursday, we're gonna try to do the New York AM and PM sessions, 7-8 hours of stream, 7-8 hours of me trying to kill the market, gather every single penny that it can offer me, like, you know, it's gonna be exciting, but we're gonna have some fun as well, you know, so will be cool. We'll see how it works. I'm not gonna show up for a week after I do that on Thursday, you know, but Aquarium. That's good, guys. That's good. I'm gonna have to dye my hair blue. Somebody has to. What else did we have? We had a girl dyeing her hair yellow as well. So somebody has to dye their head yellow. And here we go, you know. But so far, what? We have 1 shot, 1 kill. So far, so good. Sorry, I have to answer a few messages, so I wonder where ICT is at. ICT has been gone for like, what is it now, 2 weeks? I don't know, man. Michael has been on and off for such a long time this year. I feel bad for the guy. Like, he comes in, he gathers his energy, he starts giving value to us and to the community again, and bam, something wrong happens. Like, somebody dies in the family, a dog gets sick, he gets sick, his wife gets, like, there's so many distractions in his life. But what I like about the fact that he's literally sometimes coming in for a day and not showing up for another 2 weeks is because he literally kind of sticks to his own set of rules. He always talks not to trade when you're distracted. He always talks to think about what you went through during the whole day before you shown up to the chart itself. How you're feeling. What are your emotions right now before you open the trade itself? When I ask you guys about your model, that's one thing, you know. I can write you my model in like 20 steps. You can follow that. But right before you press the button, do you breathe in, breathe out? Think to yourselves. What am I feeling? Why am I entering this trade? Am I entering this to make money? Or am I entering this, I don't know, to stick to my conviction, to learn? You know? Different emotions, different feelings. So Michael has been on and off for a while now, but I totally understand him because he's just trying to stick to his own set of rules, let's say. Yeah, interesting enough though. But his life has been rough for the last, I don't know, few months or so. It's been, sadly, but not much you can do about it. Yeah, I'm just scrolling through Discord now, just taking a look if there is anything that the guys talked about that we missed and we could cover. Okay, so again, 5 minutes, 1 minute. What do we have? We have this 1 hour. Everything below it is gonna remain bearish. Here, I'm afraid, guys, there's not gonna be much action happening anymore today, at least for me. Break of structure here. So YouTube 2022 model entry present here. Watch this. Keyword watch. Don't fucking trade whatever I say you. You know, don't just follow me as somebody that gives orders, you know. Have liquidity resting above. Double top here. Love it. We failed to get to that point. Yeah. Let's watch this. I didn't like this. What just happened here? You saw how the price kind of lagged off? It was like going lower, 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 got stuck. Boom, 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 bam, crashed. I hate stuff like this. This is manipulation. This is not real price delivery. Be careful here. Okay? But let's see. Ignas got hit by a dart today. We have, what is this? Rocas, a short. So that short was interesting. I love that. I grabbed part of this chicken. John, you shouldn't be checking it out. You're trading with a demo account. Unless I don't know something, right? Unless you just moved to a real account yesterday. But you're trading with a demo. Who cares? Don't chicken out. You're a grown-ass man. I'm in a short already. Where the fuck do you find a short, man? I think Ignas doesn't have a model, does he? No, I hear you, John. Issue though with, let's say, chickening out is that's a big issue. Why? Because when you trade, you want certain risk rewards. For example, if your win ratio, let's say 60% or so, which is average, yeah, you should be aiming for 1 to 2 risk reward. Risk reward, right? 2, 1. If you fail to hold on to 2 in terms of reward, once, twice, 3 times, you can start losing money even though your win ratio is there, you know? It's a bit dangerous. But, yeah. Gotta be careful with chickening out. When you say that, I totally understand what you're saying. I totally do. You don't want to lose on the profit. You don't want to be getting, how to say, you don't want the market to turn on to you and stuff like that. I totally get it. Totally reasonable, man. But have to be careful to not hurt your own risk reward ratios because of that. Okay? Risk management is key. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. And Q coming for 19,500. I do 50%. Oh, you people. If it helps for you to trade better than you are doing it right now, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. What I'm not happy is, okay, so I don't want to become a bully for you, but Ignas, I'm not happy with what you're saying. If there's no real trade that isn't your model, why the fuck do you take a position? I don't care. Eval, demo, real money, fake money. Why? Take it. Wait for a good trade, take that good trade, make some money, get out of here. That's it. Like, that's how easy it's supposed to be. I waited for an hour, I talked with you guys, I saw a position, I took it, got out. That's it, done for the day. Why the fuck you need to be in every single move of the market? Why? Ask yourself, why? You're not making more money because of that. We both know you're not. So, like, get to a model, stick to it. Forget the rest. Make your life easy. So many scammer Ignas? Oh, that's too bad. That's too bad, man. Did you get a message that says deposit here on Discord or something like that? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. There's a bunch of people like that though. They're so frustrating. I have a story to tell. Like, this is looking good. I like this. So it's gonna feel weird for the foreigners because it's gonna be a very much Lithuania-based story, okay? So there's a guy in Lithuania that used to sell, I don't even know how to call it. What's the name for it? Translate.google. Lithuanians will know where I'm going with this. There was a guy who used to sell fuel blocks in Lithuania, on the coast actually as well. He's from the coast, and he was kind of scamming people. He would ask people to send him money to get a big order. That order would never come in and stuff like that, and just a scammer. Right? And he used to fuel blocks, like blocks that you can fuel your fireplace, the whole house, or whatever, for burning reasons. Yeah. Why I'm telling you the story? Because that guy, he called himself business from zero. Verslas no nulla. Business from zero. Basically scammer. Guy that should be in jail. I think he went to jail as well. Guys from Lithuania, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think he went to jail. And why I'm giving this story? Because he's a scammer. Legit scammer. Everybody knows it. What he started doing a month or two ago, he started copy trading for people. He literally gathered a group of people that he took money from and he started trading crypto. And he's literally losing like 20%, 30% per month for those people. And he's basically destroying people's lives again. Well, I'm telling you this story because there's a guy who used to sell like fire blocks and scamming people. And there's me who, at least I hope that it looks like it. And I'm really trying to do an honest thing here. I'm in the same drawer as that scammer. I am copy trading for other people with my investment fund, with my license, with a legally binding setup. And there's a scammer that just went Vlogas, exactly. And there's a scammer in Lithuania that's just got out of a jail cell that has 300 people showing up to his stream. And it's just, I don't know how to say it. There's a guy who is literally bullying people and losing money for people and destroying lives of people who literally don't have much to lose anymore. Even he's taking money from them and he's losing their money constantly, and he has an audience of 300 people. And I'm here with you guys. I love the fact that you guys are with me, but I'm literally giving you honest value that you can use, that you can put into your skill set and use it for the rest of your lives. And when I understand the fact that I'm literally in the same drawer, in the same shelf with a scammer that should be in jail again, it makes this tough. It makes my life hard a little bit, because that's how communication works in a way. When I say, oh, I'm a forex trader, I'm a futures trader, now people are gonna say, oh, just like that scammer in Lithuania, you know, just like Vadovas. Funny enough, though. Just the story I wanted to share, because I watched a long ass YouTube video from Mr. Malinauskas, I think, Skirmantas Malinauskas. He just made a big story about him, about that scammer, and literally, like, you can put me next to him and say, listen, Ignas is doing exactly the same, even though I'm trying to provide you value. I'm licensed to do it as well. I can legally talk about this. And I don't know, it just feels bad knowing the fact that he's able to do this and he's destroying people's lives, you know. But just wanted to share something that was on my mind. I was actually yesterday trying to write a post about it, but I just got angry and I stopped. But something I wanted to share. Yeah. Ignas, I hope you got out. I hope you profited and below this low, and I hope you got out. Just saying. Okay? Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. Too bad, though. I'd love to know that we're in a bit more of an honest market, you know? But it is what it is in a way. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, all good, all good. I excited because it held it with the OB. Yep, right here, right? Where is it? This one. Bam! Beautiful price delivery. Beautiful. It's cool. We're 1 for 1 so far. We didn't touch the market for a second time, but I think we won't. Keyword think, if an entry presents itself, why not? I will not say no to it. At the same time, why bother? I'm good enough already. You have to realize, like, I'll just put a screenshot as well. Like, I'm good enough. So, are we all going to really trade together this Thursday? Yeah, why not? Why the hell not? Okay. Language. We're not gonna trade, we're gonna read price together. We're gonna stay here in the live stream in this room. Maybe I'm gonna open Discord so we can chat to each other, you know, in a little bit nicer manner. So we can talk, maybe we can get to know each other a little bit better as well, and that could be fun, you know? Tell our life stories, tell what we're struggling with, tell our darkest secrets, you know? But jokes aside, maybe we'll do something fun, you know? But at the same time, we're gonna sit and we're gonna read price. Very different compared to trade, yeah? Okay, I'm not here to make you push a button, guys. Like, we have to realize that. You can follow what I do, I don't care. It's all up to you, you know? It's all on your own risk, on your own decision, you know? I'm gonna deliver everything I can in terms of you understanding where the price is going. If you want to execute on it, I'm not involved, man. Like, we can sign a contract. You can give me your money. I can trade for you. I'm literally saying it out loud. I'm legally allowed to do that. We can arrange that to happen. But I'm not. I wouldn't even want to do that for you because I know for a fact that I can teach you to do this. So why take your money and make a profit for you instead of working with you for, let's say, a month or two and helping you to have a skill set that is gonna provide you for the rest of your life? You know, in my opinion, that's much better. I like how you build my patience over the last 2 to 3 months. I feel like I can sit down on my hands down way longer now. That's so good, man. Ignas, hooray. No, stuff like this, when you say that, like that's what I'm doing this. Knowing the fact that you're better off because I show up every single day and I talk to you guys. That's all I need. Sounds good. 80-20, that's exactly what I do. So I have my investment fund, right? In the investment fund, the deal is exactly that. There's no management fees, there's no upfront fees, there's nothing like that. In the investment fund, we do 80-20 split. We do it every 6 months, and yeah. But I can't say much more about it because I have to send you a lot of paperwork to talk about numbers there, results there, and stuff like that. Like, it's legally binding, let's say, totally. So yeah, it's a cool thing that I do. It's hard because I literally have to show up every single day and I can't mess around. And it took me a while to go through that, you know? It took me a while to get to the point where I'm calmly able to deliver results week in, week out, month in, month out. I wish I would be able to do this day in, day out. So far not possible, but maybe one day. Maybe one day, you know? This will push a lot higher. That will get taken. I like this. 80-20 though. That's legit exactly what I do. Good stream so far. Dude, like, I loved what we're doing so far. So far, so fun. Oh, Rokas is this. Rokas in Discord is giving us a laugh. Pam 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 pam. Dude, that's Arnas. Do you know if Vadovas, the guy business from zero, does he talk English? I literally, we can cut what we just talked about and we can send it towards him and we can start bullying him. And we can get all the people who got hurt by him in here and they can learn a real skill set. That's a marketing thing that we can do. Pick a fight with the Verslas Nanula guy. Pick a fight with Vadovas. That would be cool, huh? Oh my god. That would be funny. The only Lithuanian sheeps around him. No, man, it's good, but like, you know, maybe we can pick a fight with him. I'm not saying that I want to fight the guy, but just for the gist, you know. My dog is just, so we got our dog we like when we were here in the coast, we loved just putting the car keys away and taking out our bicycles and using our bicycles to get around everywhere, and just it's a nice way to get around here. But we can't take our dog together with us because of that, and we just got I don't even know what's the word for this. Google Translate. Lopshis. We got a cradle for my dog, which, oh my god, like that, it just looks, it looks interesting, let's say, but what I wanted to mention is, it just, she looks so funny when she's in it. Like, oh my god. She gets so stressed out because of it. Let me show you. Look at this. That's my dog. Oh, we just got it this morning. Delivered by the carrier. I don't know, by UPS. And she's funny. She's cute, but yeah. That's my dog though, yes. And she's gonna ride together with us everywhere we go now. Would love to talk with him about trading, see how he sees it all. I believe he has a basic knowledge. Dude, he has a knowledge on how to make money. The star next to it, explanation marks and everything, makes money by scamming people. Yes, but dude, he has blood for that. Spoiler for the bicycle. Yeah, let's take her away. He knows how to make money. That I give to the guy, but the issue there is that he makes the money while it's scamming people. That's not nice. That's not cool, you know? Yeah. He is being transparent and showing his face. I believe that's why he can scam that. That's true, man. That's true. But he chases an audience that is very manipulative as well. He chases an audience that is, I don't want to use a bad word, but that is not too educated. That's a nice way of saying what kind of people he attracts. But let's say audience that is not too educated. He's good at working with an audience like that, you know? He's stupid as fuck, like he's dumb as hell. I'm saying it out loud, but just like looking at him, you realize that, but he's good at what he does. I'm gonna give him that. I'm giving him that, you know? I can't lie. Who are you guys talking about? The same guy, the scammer from Lithuania, man. The guy who used to sell firewood and got to the jail because he scammed a lot of people. Now he's trading for other people. He communicates that he copy trades for people. But yep. Look on NQ how time frames sing. That's the issue, man. I don't know. So looking at hourly only, Arnes. NQ bullish, yes, bearish, right? That's why I'm kind of saying I'm not gonna touch it today. Verslas na nula, yes, man. Yeah. Verslas na nula guy is literally scamming people. He opened his copy trading on Bybit now. He lost over 30% already. But yeah. Funny enough. Watch this now. Watch this. Guess who's home? Yeah. My family is back. Yeah, he is. But not much you can do about it. Like, you know, what are you gonna do about it? People are putting their own money in there, not somebody else's. But guys, she's back, yeah. They were away. They were testing the bike. But what do we have? We have one profitable trade today. We called the market correctly twice. A good day overall. But I'm gonna say we're gonna have to finish this off because of this hourly chart. I have no interest when I see bullish prices on NQ and bearish prices on ES. The markets have to get in sync. Either ES has to break this to push higher and NQ will follow, or NQ has to break below to push lower and ES will follow. Before that happens, I'm not interested in trading today anymore. So wait for this. With being able to wait for that, you're gonna find a high probability setup. You're not gonna risk on bullshit setups without no reason. Yeah. And with having a high probability setup in mind, you're gonna be able to find profits today. So I'm gonna leave you to it. Why I'm saying this though? One other thing to learn today, I'm gonna finish off this stream. Why I'm saying this? Who remembers what we talked about in the beginning of this stream? What is this? 1 hour chart, 5 AM. What is that? One hour chart, 5 AM. This is an inside candle. Yeah? We have a high, we have a low. This candle trades inside that range. What do we want to see? We want to see price deliver in 1, 2, 3 candles. It does, but it only kind of does. There's no real movement lower. Because of this failure, I know that the market is going to consolidate. Thus, I'm not touching this. Put it to your notes. Put it to your notes. And guys, very honestly, stay safe. Wait for 1 hour break of structure, either to the higher side of the market or lower side of the market. Doesn't matter. Stay safe today, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Bye.